Hi everyone, good morning. Am I audible? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, Sanjeev.
Okay, fine. So in yesterday class, we have discussed about server request cataloging. Okay. And so for that server request, we have completed almost form level designing and all. Okay. Now we have to do now we have to do some workflow process for that. Okay. So in today class, I will explain some more workflow activities we haven't used till now. Okay. I'm going to process engine here. Okay. Now here I can see if we go to the approval activities. Okay. Yes. So in interviews, they will ask what is approval coordinator activity? What is generate activity? Okay. So approval coordinator activity. Approval coordinator activity approves a dependent approvals. So you can see I'm keeping approval coordinator activity here. The approval coordinator. So I'm submitting. So you can see how it looks like. You can see if it is approved, rejected, cancelled. Child activities. Here it is asking for child activities. These are the child activities. You can able to do approval user activity here, approval group activity. Now, for example, I am adding approval user activity within this approval coordinator activity. Okay. Yes. Maybe I'm selecting from here. Submit. Okay. Yes. Like this, we will add a child approvals within this approval coordinator activity. Okay. Next, approval group, manual approvals. Open. Manual approval. Like, okay, like this, we have to provide a child approval activities within the approval coordinator activity. Okay, it should be like this. So we give link like this. So at a time, all these approvals will generate. We have to complete it, and then only we are going to next activity. Okay, approval coordinator activity should be like this. Okay, I'm closing. Yes. Next, generate activity. Submit. Okay. Generate activity should be like this. So generally, the generate activity immediately creates a task or approval records from any task or approval activities. Okay. So generate activity is used to create a approval records of task immediately after this generate activity. Okay. Next. Next, if we go to the conditional statements, have we used wait for conditional activity in previous workflows? Think no. Okay, fine. Now here I'm taking if activity. Now here I'm taking if activity.
We
Okay.
didn't use that condition, wait for condition.
Yeah, we will use that. Check operating system, not operating system. Trying it now here. Check server type. Maybe I'm saying check server type. Check server type. Okay. Stages and all I'm not giving currently. So here we have to provide fulfillment. So here I am checking the server type. Okay. Here you can type variables. Okay. Variables. You can see how we are giving condition. Catalog item, server request, variables in server request. Okay. What is the variable? We are looking for server type. Server type is, if server type is physical, if server type is physical, or we can say, is it mandatory field? Yes, mandatory field. If server type is physical, okay, I'm checking condition like this. Or if it is a scripting, you have to check condition from here. Okay. Within this condition, you have to provide current dot variable start server type equal to what we have selected here. Physical. Okay, we have to provide like this. So if you want to do condition by using script. Okay. Here, so you have to uncomment. I will come to that script also, no problem. Here I have given server type condition. Okay. Yes. Next. If it is a server type, if it is a server type physical, right? Here we selected. First, we selected physical. Server type is physical. Server type if server type is physical. Okay. Then I have to trigger a event, for example. We haven't used event trigger activity, right? I have to generate a event. Okay. Yes. Trigger my first event. Okay. Yes. Stage is fulfillment as of now not providing my first event. Okay. Yes. We want to pass the parameters from here. We want to pass the parameters here. Param1 value you have to send from here. Param2 value you have to send from here. Okay. Maybe in the param1, I'm planning to send request up. In param2, I'm planning to send request up file. Okay. Then how to send param1 and param2 values? Parent2 dot variable start. Parent2 dot variable start requester req uestr. Sorry, parent2. This is requested for. Std requested for. Save. You can come. Current to that variable name. Okay, request. And submitting it. Okay. So, next. So for example, you can see next. If it is no, if it is a virtual, I want to send for approval user activity. I want to send for approval user activity. Okay. Here you can see. Okay. So virtual, right? Maybe I want to send approval to requested for manager. Okay. Right. Maybe current login user manager. Okay. Requested for manager. Yes. Along with this user approval, I want group approval also at a time. Okay. If this group members is approved or this current login user manager approved, anything is fine. That's what I'm like. It should be 50% share. Okay. From this user approval and this group approval. Okay. If any approval has approved, it will process. Got it? Till now, we haven't used it like this, right? Maybe I'm giving you network group approval. So here you can see within the approval user activity, we have provided these two approvals, current login user manager approval and network group approvals. Okay, within this approval activity, if any approval is came here, then this activity will process. Okay, this means manager activity approve chesna, manager approve chesna, లేకపోతే ఆ నెట్వర్క్ గ్రూప్ లో ఎవరైనా అప్రూవ్ చేసినా కానీ ఇది ప్రాసెస్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, and then submitting it, for example. Submitting it. Okay, once it is approved, I'm going to wait for condition. Once it is approved, I'm waiting for some condition. Where it is? What I'm waiting for? Okay, what I'm waiting for? Maybe check approval action. Check approval action, I'm saying. Okay, if it is approved, approval is approved. For example, I'm saying that you can wait until this is approved. Yes, I hope this condition is correct. You can wait. Approval is approved. Okay. Wait. No, I don't want this. Okay. Otherwise, I'm checking short description. Short description contains something like I'm writing condition. In RATM table, I'm writing condition. Or if you want to write on our catalog item variables, like you can select variables here, you can select catalog item here, you can select variable field here, you can select the type. Okay, we already selected like that in the if condition activity. Okay, I'm submitting it. Once approval is completed, so here I'm changing the name. Short contains Once the event is created, for example, once the event is created, okay, I want to wait for some time. Okay. So you can see we have somewhere timer at yes, here we have. I want to wait for maybe 1 minute. I want to wait for 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. Okay. Minute then 01. Okay. Hours, minutes, seconds, right? I'm saying wait for 1 minute. Submit this timer. Okay. If event is triggered. So I hope I have covered all the activities from this workflow. Activities rejected. So, so everything I sent here. Guys, this workflow covers the pending workflow activities. I haven't explained in yesterday's and day before yesterday class. Okay. Yes, this is my workflow. We can check how it looks like. Yes, server time. I'm selecting physical this time. Operating system Linux 1, 2, 3. And some order now. Okay, we can check how it is working now. Directly I'm going to RIT. You can scroll down. You can also click on show workflow. You can see it went for 6 approvals. 6 approvals. So you can see Abel Tutor, David Lu, Fred Ludi, Bow, David, ideal user. Why it went for 6 approvals? Tell me why it went for 6 approvals. Tell me, guys. Why it went for 6 approvals? Why? Because Abel Tutor is a current logged in user manager, and remaining users are from the network group.
From the group which we had added.
Yes, within the approval user activity. Okay. For example, from this, somebody is approving the approve. Somebody is approving. Perfect. They are approved. Come and refresh here. So you can see what it is waiting for. What it is checking for here.
It is approved or not.
Wait. Yes. No. It is waiting for. It is checking the conditions. If whether short description contains Anji or not. So basically, short description field is not available here. So I'm bringing back that field to requested item form. So you can see short description. Even I'm also bringing description field. Now you can see whenever I update short description with Sabanji keyword, okay, immediately this workflow will complete. Okay, now you can see. Now short description contains Anji where keyword. Now you can see it is ended. And now you can see in the condition I have on down. What condition I have given here? Wait. If it is a physical, server type is a physical, wait. Server type is a physical, it has to wait for S activity, right? but it went for no activity. Have you observed that? Have you observed or not? So for this, you can see what is server type we have taken physical, but it went for no activity. That is wrong, right? Actually, yes or no?
It went for created event, no, and it triggering a event, no, if yes.
Yes, we have to trigger a event, but it is not happened. This is wrong. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
cross check again. Refreshing here. Yes. Again, I'm cross checking. Tokens under variables. If server type is physical, if server type is physical, server type is physical. That means X activity. So this is I'm publishing maybe. Now you can come and refresh. Server type is physical. Operating system. Why it is generating approvals? This is wrong, right? Like generating approvals. Server type is selected physical. But it is going for no activity. This is wrong actually. Maybe you can write condition in different format. You can come. Check out. Maybe wait. Maybe I'm selecting virtual. Okay. If it is virtual, okay, it has to go for, it is virtual, has to go for this. It is physical, it has to go for this. Okay. Now you can come and check once. Selecting physical only. Show workflow. Now it went perfectly or not? Now we selected physical, right? Yes or no? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, now it went perfectly. If it is a physical, yes, it is going like this. So event also triggered. If you want, you can check. You can go to the event log.
అక్కడ నో అయితే వెళ్తుంది కదా సార్.
No. Finally, what we change? Finally, what we change? The condition. We change the condition, right? Okay. So here we changed condition. Like the server type is virtual we kept. That means yes, when we'll execute if it is a virtual. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Now, yes, it is waiting for 1 minute. Then after it will end the workflow. Yes, you can see. After 1 minute, it is ending the workflow. That's fine. Next. This time I will keep virtual. Server type is virtual. My sound is echoing. Please mute yourself. So it has to go for yes. No. Why every time it is going for no? This is wrong actually. Okay, you can see. Then I will do one thing. Yes. Guys, here we have provided workflow condition perfectly. If in fact it is. Still it is not going correctly. That means I feel it may be a product issue. I feel it may be a product issue. In the if condition activity, we'll select condition like this only. Okay, it's okay, fine. This is not going properly, right? That's what I'm writing condition here. Okay. Current dot variable start variable name server type equal to physical. Okay, server type is physical. This we have to uncomment this code actually. Okay. Okay. Refreshing it. Now you can see expected condition yes double equal. Now I'm checking this by using script. If it is a physical, yes. If it is a virtual, no. Okay. Then I'm reaching. If it is a physical, yes. If it is virtual, no. Okay. Perfect. With by using script we have written. This time we will check. Actually, when we write that if condition it is coming wrong, maybe I feel it is personal development stand question. Now you can say I'm keeping physical. At least this time also, this time it will send correctly, I feel. So, it went correctly or not? Tell me. Yes or no? If it is a physical, it has to go for this path, right? It went or not? Tell me, guys. Yes, it went.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the script we have written in the if condition activity. Okay. Copying it. Oh my God, I have a problem. I'm saving it. Next. Yeah, we have seen wait for condition activity, and we also seen if activity, timer activity. Okay. So finally, about this activity should be like this. Next, I'm closing all the tabs. Going to server request catalog item only. Okay. Now you can see I want to display this server request catalog item only for Servicenow admin group members. I don't want to display for others. Okay, you can see. You can come here. You can impensate to other users. I'm impensating to maybe Abil Total. Okay, I'm impensating to Abil Total. So okay, service catalog. I'm going here. So you can see under services, we have server request. You can see this is our catalog item, server request. Okay. Yes, Abil Tutor is able to see server request catalog item. Now we can come here, impensate to another user. Maybe Anji user from Servicenow administration group. He is also able to see the server request catalog item. It's Anji user also. Next, Ravi user, impensate user. You can come and refresh. Yes, Ravi user also able to see. Even Sai Krishna user also able to see catalog item. But my requirement is only Anji user want to see this catalog item from the Servicenow administration group. Okay. Now I'm ending the implementation here. So you remember that we have user criteria. Okay, I'm going to user criteria. First of all, user criteria. Under service catalog, we have user criteria. I'm opening it. Writing user criteria saying that Servicenow administration. Okay, my user criteria name. Here I'm selecting Servicenow admin group. Servicenow administration group I'm selecting here. Okay, I'm saving it. I'm saving it. Okay. Now I'm adding this user criteria to our server request catalog item. You can come here, available for, then click on edit, and you can apply a user criteria. Servicenow administration. You can see. Now this catalog item is only available for Servicenow admin group members. Those are Anji and Ashok. Okay. Others not able to see this catalog item. Okay, we can check once. Now we can come impensate to user. Maybe I'm checking with Abil Total. Impensate user. Now you can come and see what happening to Abil Tutor. What happening to Abil Tutor? You are not authorized to see this catalog item. Okay. For example, I'm impensating to Ravi user or Sai Krishna user. Anything is fine. Okay. I'm impensating to Ravi user. Is Ravi user able to see catalog item? No. Now I'm impensating to Anji user. There it is. Okay. Yes. This Anji user able to see the catalog item. Then refresh it. Yes. He is able to see. Got it, everyone? What is user criteria? How it is working when in the implementation? Okay. Yes. So now I have provided user criteria available for that, means whatever the condition we get, that user criteria will match and this catalog item will display for only for that users. So if you kept not available for example, if you kept not available for same user criteria, okay, and you remove from available for, means this catalog item is not available for Servicenow administration group members, and it will be visible for other users. Got it, everyone? I will also show you. I'm editing it. I will do it. So now I'm keeping this user criteria. Guys, here you can see I have written user criteria only on group. If you want to write user criteria based upon users, based upon roles, based upon companies, location, departments, yes, you can write. Okay. Now I am adding that ServiceNow administration user criteria in not available for. Clicking on edit. ServiceNow administration. Saving it. The ServiceNow administration. ServiceNow administration. Okay, that's perfect. Now you can come and go for Anji user. This time this catalog item will not available for Anji user. Okay, why? Because of we use that user criteria in not available for. Okay, we use that user criteria in not available for. You can come and refresh here. You are not authorized. Anji user is not authorized. Okay, you go to Ravi user. He is able to see catalog item, or Abil to then he is able to see the catalog item. Okay, got it, everyone? Then come refresh. Okay, he is able to see Abil total. Okay, this is about user criteria. Any queries from user criteria? Tell me. Any queries from user criteria? Tell me, guys. No? That's perfect. Say I'm going to maintain item. Now I will show you what is multi-row variable set. What is multi-row variable set? Okay. I'm creating new catalog item for that. Employee details. So maybe I'm saying service catalog service. So item details. Start description. Saving it. Okay. Perfect. Now you can come and you can create one variable set here. I just created this catalog item to show how multi-row variable set looks like. Okay. Yes. Now I'm clicking multi-row variable set. EMP data. I'm saying EMP data. I want to column wide automatic side. I'm saving this variable set. Okay. Maybe I'm creating some variables here. Maybe I will create 4 variables here. Okay. Saying name. Order is 100 per name. Question. Name. Order is 200. For phone, order is 300. Maybe I'm going supervisor. Order is 400 and I'm selecting reference variable. Okay. You can come here and you can select a reference table systems for you. submit. Yes, updating this variable set. Now you can see once we tried how the variable set, multi-row variable set looks like. How the multi-row variable set looks like. Tell me, guys. You can click on add row. You can able to add the details. Yes, it is opening like this. Name Anjali. I'm saying email Anjali dot something like gmail.com. Okay, phone 123456789 something like that. Maybe supervisor I will put up. Okay, you can able to forward details like. Got it, everyone? Multi-row variable set should be like this. If you want to add next another employee also here, for example, I'm saying Ravi @gmail.com. Phone 876 something like that. Maybe Abraham you can add. Order now. Okay, everybody got it? It should be like this. It should be like this. Next, again, I'm going to maintain items. Okay. Yes. Multi-row variable set should be like this. Okay. Now I'm going to process engine. We can try, we can able to create flow designer or not. If yes, I will try to show you one or two activities, otherwise not required. Okay. So maybe it's already some flows are exist. Service catalog item request. Yes, I'm selecting this one for example. So I will open this. Open. And you can see why it is not showing. Why it is not showing. I'm going to flow configuration dictionary here. So what conditions they kept for this flow reference field, I will check. Yeah. New catalog flow filter, service catalog flow. Okay, fine. Okay, this is already some existing flow designer for catalog items. Okay, like you can see, if requested item is rejected by manager, end workflow, requested item department head approval. If it is rejected, end approval, create catalog task. Okay, flow designer should be like this for catalog items. Okay, flow designer should be like. Okay, so now I'm not creating any flow designer for our current catalog item because of it has some condition actually. Okay, it don't allowing to create a new flow for catalog item. Next, 1 minute. I have to show something. I forgot it. I'm closing it. Again, I'm going to enter details. Item details and I have them. Okay. So finally, this is about catalog items. Okay. I hope I have covered everything from the catalog items. Next, I'm going to start with record provision. Okay, I'm going to start with the record provision. You can check the record provision definition. Record producer. Record producer is a special kind of record producer is a special kind of record. It will generate a task based records. Okay. So thank you. Record producer is a special kind of service catalog item. It will create a task list records. I'm copying it and pasting it. Okay. So remaining we don't require. I'm just providing URL. You can go to it. Okay. Paste it here. What is the definition under service catalog? We have catalog definition. Under catalog definition, here record producer. Okay. Record producer table name is sc underscore cat underscore item underscore producer. Okay. Yes. Now we can go to the record producers and we will create one record producer. So generally, why we require to create a record producers? Okay. So in the organization, all end users don't have access to Servicenow platform. Okay, most of the end users have access to service portal only. Okay, most of the users have access to service portal only. Okay, but if they have only service portal access and if they want to raise a instance, how they can able to do it? By using record producers, they are able to raise a instant record. Got it, everyone? Why we have to create a record producers?
Yes, Andy.
Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to create a one record producer. So in wait, I can't remember. In a record producer, you have to identify three things. You can check here how I'm going to map a fields on the target table and our record producer variables. Okay, this is the important one here. So I'm going to record producer here. Under system catalog, we have catalog definitions. Here record producers. I'm going to new. So here my record producer name is create issue request, create issue. Okay. I'm getting some noise. Please mute yourself. Chakradhar, please mute yourself. So table name I am selecting, for example, incident. The table name I am selecting incident. Okay. Now, so create issue. Yes, I'm copying this create issue. Within the item description. So, and I'm saving it generally. I'm saving this record position. Okay. Now you can come and create some variables here. Maybe we want to, I'm going to create three variables, that is color, short description, and description. Okay, three variables I'm going to create. Okay. First of all, I'm creating a variable called requester. Maybe I'm taking reference variable. Yeah, order I'm giving 100. So here I'm question, I'm giving requester file. Okay, requester. Okay. So I'm giving type specification should be this underscore. Okay. Submit. Yes. We have created requester for variable. Next. I'm going to create a short description variable. It is a single line text only. I'm going to add short. Maybe I will say issue description. uh, issue details I will click. Okay, issue details. Okay, I'm submitting it. Next. I'm clicking on new button here. Third one, order I'm taking 300. 1 minute. I'm taking order is 300. Yeah, okay. Question is the description. I'm taking description. You know that mandatory read only is catalog client scripts, catalog event policies and all. You can try it. Okay. I'm not going to that now. Now you can see. Now I'm trying this record position. Requested for maybe I'm selecting on user. Issue details. Text. I'm saying text. Description. Hello. I'm saying hello. Now you can see when you submit this, we'll create a one instant record. Okay, got it? What I'm saying? What are the details mapped here from that record producer? Tell me. Only description is mapped. Yes or no? Requested for is not mapped. Issue details also is not mapped. Yes or no? It is mapped. It is not mapped. Now we can check how we have to map those fields to here. Create issue. Scroll down. So yes, description details is populating fine in the instant table. Why? Because of here column name is same as the here variable name is same as the column name in the instant table. Okay. This is one way of mapping fields. Column name is same as this record producer variable name is same as column name in the instant field is same. Yes or no? Description backend name and this variable backend name both are same or not? That's why it is populating the data in the instant table. This is one way. Next, I want to map this requested for with caller ID. I want to map this requested for with caller ID. Okay. Second way of field mapping, you can see. I'm doing second way of field mapping. You can click on map to field. So you can select a field. Which field you are planning to map with this requested for caller field. Okay. I'm updating. You can see here I selected map to field and I selected the field. Yes, this requested for variable. I want to map with caller variable. Caller field in the instant form. So I map it. This is second way of mapping the field. Okay. Now, right. Description. I'm taking multi-line text. Okay. For issue description. Now I'm showing third way of mapping. Okay, what is the backend name? Issue details. Okay, issue details. Now you can come and now you can go to the record producer script here. You can go to the record producer script here. You can type current dot short description equal to producer dot issue details. Got it? This is third way of mapping. Got it? So here I mapped the fields with the selected table here. I mapped the record producer variables with selected table fields in three ways. One is keeping One is keeping variable name same as field name in the target table here instance. Make keeping variable backend name same as the field name in the instance table. Second one is by selecting map to field. Okay, by selecting map to field checkbox. Then after we are selecting a field from the instance table. Okay, this is second option, second way of mapping fields. Third way of mapping by using record producer script. Okay, got it? Yes. Now I'm saving it. Now I will try it. Now we can able to see the details should be populated in the instance table if I submit this record producer. Okay, yes, try it. Maybe request for I'm saying Anji. Issue description. I'm saying test. Description, I'm saying hello. You can see all three values will populate into the instance table. I'm submitting. Yes, instant is created. Color is mapped successfully. Short description is mapped successfully. Description is also mapped successfully. Got it, everyone? This is one record producer. Okay. Any queries here? I will also show you from the service portal. The service portal, we have catalogs. Browse by category. How can we help you? You can see my incident, create issue, something like that. Show more. No. Create issue is not appearing. That means I have to do something. In the accessibility, we haven't provided details, I think. That's why it is not appearing. Service catalog. Can we help you? Okay, in the can we help you, I'm keeping it. Save. Can refresh. Now you are able to see create issue item. Create issue. I'm opening it. So requester for I'm selecting available tab. Hi. Hello. Okay. I'm submitting it. Now you can see. Now successfully created record procedure from service portal. So yes, instant is record is created. Okay, got it, everyone. You can go to the this particular instance. You can check the three variables information is mapped or not. Mapped or not. Caller ID is able total. Short description. Got it, everyone. This is about record procedures. In interviews, they will ask one question. How to call record producer variables to server side program. Okay. Producer dot variable name. How to call client side by using the underscore point. Okay. Next. How many ways we can map record producer variables to table fields. Okay. First one is making record producer variable name same as column name. Second one is by selecting, by making map to field is true, by making map to field is true, and then select column name in the record variable, record producer variable form. Got it? Second one got it. By mapping map to field is true, and then select column name in the record producer variable form. Third one is by using
Script.
record producer script. For example, current dot name equal to producer dot variable. Got it, everyone? This is about record producers. In tomorrow class, I'm going to explain about order guide and content item. Okay. So still, if we have time, so I haven't explained till now what transform map scripts. Okay. I will try to explain one or two use cases from the transform import sets. Okay. And I will also explain scripting in ACL concept. Okay. I will try to explain these things tomorrow. Okay. I'm stopping class here. Okay. So first of all, I will take attendance. We have almost 15 minutes time. Today, I'm going to ask you one use case. Okay. If anybody interested to share your screen, and I will ask you to write some methods, maybe glide form methods. If anybody interested to write within the live class, please tell me. Even if you made mistakes, no problem. So I'm just for checking how your preparation and all, I'm asking you to write if you are interested. Anybody interested? Yes. I'm going to background script. I'm closing all the tabs. Going to background script. Here my requirement is should be trained incidents into instance whose category is hardware or software. Okay. Print instance whose category is hardware or software. Yes, this is simple one. So please guide me. I will write the script. If you are interested, you can share your screen and you can write. Okay, anything is fine. Print instance whose category is hardware or software. Yes, please start with first time. What type of glide record operation have to use here? Tell me first of all that one. In interviews, this kind of questions only they will provide you. Okay, for scripting. I think this we already discussed in glide record class. Yes, if anybody suggest me what I have to write, what type of glide operation we have to select here. Chakradhar, Jayasri, Ramakrishna, Sai Krishna, Sangeeta, Kasi. Tell me what happened. Even it is wrong also, no problem. Please tell me. Am I audible first of all?
A minute, and we are
Sorry. Yes, am I audible?
yes, and
So then what? Why you are not answering? Even it is
yeah,
wrong
we are
also.
thinking.
In interviews, they won't provide this much time. Please try to understand. You have already prepared this one. Okay. So okay, fine. I'm writing the logic. Where we have to use glide record query operation here. Okay.
Where gr equal to glide recorder of the instant table.
Yeah, that add query of. Okay. A to
Category. Uh,
then
you understand? Hard.
no category in software. It is small software, hardware. Okay. This is the main condition. Or you can also write like this. Add query of category, comma, software. Okay. Dot add our condition. Add our condition. And hardware. Yeah, dot query. Okay. So if so here we don't know how many records we will get. While yeah, dot next. Okay. Here in gs dot print I'm saying gr dot. So, sorry, please mute yourself. I'm getting some noise. Ramakrishna. So you can see this is the use case. From these two conditions, okay, you can keep any one condition. Both we don't require. Okay. Either you can keep this condition, or you can keep this condition. Anything is fine. Okay. Only one line we require from these two lines of conditions. Okay. Maybe I'm keeping first one only and I'm commenting. Okay, got it, everyone. Now you can see one script. This many records we retrieve. But we don't know what category in this instance. That's why I'm keeping category also in the printing statement. Okay. Yeah, that's a to category. One script. Okay, so you can say hardware and software category. That's fine. And I want this instance order by category. Okay, I'm keeping another extra range. Yeah, order by descending of category. Now you can see category I mean software category instance will all display one place. Then after maybe hardware software like that it will display. Okay, category. Now you can come and refresh it. Now you can see first of all it is showing software category. Then after it is showing hardware category. Okay, it's perfect. This is one more step. Guys, you have to prepare for the scripting and theory part. Okay, so please don't waste your time. This is one use case to discuss. So we have remaining 7 minutes time. I'm going to ask few questions from the administration at least. What is incident? If I get quick response, that is good. What is incident? Incident is a unplanned interruption to IT service. Quality of reduction in IT service. Failure of a CA has not yet impacted on IT service. Okay, next. What is client script? Guys, I'm waiting for your response.
Client scripts is used within the user browser action or used for managing the form.
Okay. Client script always
Predefined user class.
Okay. Yes. Client script always execute on the browser level. Client script is used to change the form behavior. Okay, by using client scripts, you can able to make field mandatory, read only, visible, like changing the choice values based upon the another choice value. Okay, like printing messages and all. Okay. Yes, tomorrow I have to explain author guide, content item. I have time. Import set example, import set scripting. Then we have time instance script. Okay, this I will explain tomorrow. Thank you all. I'm closing section here. Thank you for joining class on festival day itself. Okay. Tomorrow we'll try to complete these concepts. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye.